Snoring isn't just a nuisance, it can have serious health consequences. If you or your partner snores, it's important to address the underlying issue. The dangers of snoring: sleep apnea, cardiovascular risk, daytime sleepiness, poor mental health, dental problems, effective snoring solutions, lifestyle changes, oral appliances, continuous positive airway pressure, innovative treatments. Don't let snoring disrupt your life. Schedule a consultation with our sleep experts to find the right solution for you. Visit our website www.mgormandental.com or call us 8183-909-509 to learn more about OSA treatment options.